In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an event to your Outlook calendar. Whether you're planning your day-to-day activities, scheduling meetings, or setting reminders for significant dates, adding events to your calendar is crucial for staying organized and managing your time effectively. In the next few minutes, I will walk you through a complete and easy to follow process to create a new calendar event using Outlook. So, if you're ready, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Microsoft Outlook login page. This is the starting point for accessing your email and calendar services as part of Microsoft's Office 365 suite. If you haven't already logged in previously, you'll need to do so now to gain access to your calendar. As soon as the Outlook login page loads up, you'll notice the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it to continue. Once you click Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you type in the full email address that you use for your Microsoft account. This step verifies that you have an account that's associated with Outlook. If it's your first time logging in from this device, you might want to double check the spelling to ensure you don't run into any errors. After that, click the Next button. Now it's time to enter your password. Ensure you're using the correct one that is linked to your email account. If you're concerned about security or when using a shared computer, consider clicking the option to hide your password as you type. This step is crucial as it keeps your account secure and ensures only you can access your personal information. Once you've entered your password, click on the Sign In button. Upon successfully signing in, Outlook may ask you whether you want to stay signed in on the browser or not. Clicking Yes will keep you signed in and can speed up the login process the next time you visit the site from the same device. However, if you're using a public or shared computer, it might be wiser to click No to protect your account's privacy. After completing the sign-in process, you'll be redirected to the main Outlook interface, usually landing in your email inbox. From here, you'll want to locate the calendar feature. On the left-hand side, you'll often find the calendar icon or a menu option for the calendar. Clicking this will take you to your calendar view. Outlook's design is intuitive, making it easy to switch between mail and calendar functions. With the calendar now visible, you'll see a button labelled New Event, typically located either at the top left corner of the screen or somewhere prominent within your calendar view. Clicking on New Event will open a new window where you can start entering the details for your event. At this stage, you're ready to input the specifics of the event you're adding. You'll be able to add the title of the event, set the date and time, and whether it repeats daily, weekly, etc. You can include additional details like location, any notes, and even invite attendees by entering their emails. Adding as much information as needed helps in keeping everyone informed and make sure you are fully prepared for the event. Once you've filled in all the pertinent details about your event, the final step is to click Save. This ensures that the event is added to your Outlook calendar and is now set for the particular date and time you've specified. It's important to double check all the details before saving, especially if the event involves other participants or has a critical timing schedule. But don't worry, you can always go back and edit these details later if something changes. And there you have it, you've successfully added a new event to your Outlook calendar. Congratulations on taking charge of your time and becoming more organized with each event you manage. Remember, staying consistent and making use of these tools can vastly improve productivity. Thank you for tuning into this quick guide on using your Outlook calendar more effectively. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in establishing a seamless routine for your scheduling needs. Until next time, keep organized and articulate with your plans. If you have any more questions or need further information, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Happy scheduling!